This is not a trending topic. It's something that deeply impacts our lives. बाद में मत बोलना कि इंडिया का EQI खराब है. So in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, a place most of us only know as a holiday destination, there's a plan. A mega port, an international airport, a whole township across 244 square kilometers of land, 130 of which are rainforests, 10 million trees. And the people who live there, communities who have been on this land for thousands of years, their own tribal council says they are being pressured to sign surrender documents. One of them said, "This is our ancestral land. We will have nothing left for future generations." Just sit with that for a second. And it's not just Nicobar. In Odisha, in the Sijimali Hills, tribal communities have been protesting for 2 years, blocking a road they know will open their sacred land to mining. This April, police came at dawn. 70 people were injured. And this is not even old news, it's happening right now. And I keep coming back to this very basic, very human question. What do we actually mean when we say development? Development for whom? Decided by whom? And at what cost? Because sometimes I think what it would look like if we just got this right. We need our trees to breathe. We actually do. They are not just pretty. They are not just a backdrop for a good photo. They are what keeps the air, the soil, the water alive. We need our indigenous communities to be protected, not as a charity project, because they are the ones who actually know how to live with the land. That knowledge, it has taken centuries to build. And once it's gone, we can't get it back. We need our ecosystems to be cherished. Because here's the thing about nature, it's circular. What you protect comes back to you. Clean rivers come back to you. Healthy forests come back to you. A community left intact, thriving on its own land, that comes back to you too in ways you do not expect. Isn't that what sustainable is actually supposed to mean? Not a word on a label, just what you give returns. Isn't it our duty as people who share this country, this land, air, water, to actually safeguard it? I don't have clean answers. I really don't. But I think the least we can do right now is pay attention. Ask the question out loud. Don't just scroll past it. Because the land remembers. And eventually everything comes back to you.